Hey guys, today we're cooking a pepperoni pizza, and I got a really serious reason for this one. Despite the fact that it's so delicious, it packs also 160 grams of protein. Let's get to it. For that we'll need 250 grams of farmer's cheese. We add to the mix 4 eggs. And we blend it really well till we get to a more of a creamier texture. We're going to add 1 cup of oat flour to give it more of a dough look. We're going to mix it really well. Now we're going to transfer our mix into a pan sheet. The trick here is to level it up really good and to make it look more even on the whole surface. If you noticed, I'm trying to keep the edges of the pie slightly elevated because after adding this 1 cup of marinara sauce and spreading it out evenly across the whole pie, we just want to make sure that this good sauce does not escape the pie when being cooked. We're going to top it with 100 grams of mozzarella cheese. We're going to use the power of 6 packs beef salami. Oh, I'm sorry, it's actually 8 packs. And we're going to season it with some Italian seasonings. We're adding some smoked paprika, now without it right, and it's ready to go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 22 minutes. And done. I'm going to remove the sheet from the tray. This will allow for pizza to cool faster, and I'm going to slice it in 4 pieces. Now, you guys ready? Each slice contains 37 grams of protein at only 325 calories. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know how yours came out in the comments. Enjoy.